Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Airtable to Make. This process allows you to automate tasks and streamline your data management. We will cover 4 key steps, from preparing your Airtable base to deploying your automated workflow. By the end, you will have a robust connection enabling powerful data synchronization and task execution between these two platforms, saving you valuable time and effort. First, you need to prepare your Airtable base. Navigate to your Airtable account settings to find your personal API key. This is crucial for authentication. Next, locate the unique base ID for the specific base you intend to connect. You will also need the precise name of the table within that base. Finally, confirm your table has a primary field, which is essential for Make to correctly identify and interact with individual records. Now, let's move to Make. Begin by creating a brand new scenario in your Make dashboard. Search for and add the Airtable module as your first application. When prompted, establish a new connection by pasting your Airtable API key. Then, carefully select the correct base ID and the specific table name from your Airtable account. This step links your Make scenario directly to your Airtable data, setting the foundation for automation. Finally, it is time to test and deploy your automation. Run the Make scenario once to confirm that the connection is working perfectly and data flows as expected. Carefully observe the data processing to ensure records are handled accurately. Once verified, set your preferred trigger conditions and scheduling for continuous, automated operation. With everything confirmed, activate your scenario to unleash the power of seamless integration between Airtable and Make, automating your tasks effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.